Hello students, welcome to school quiz. My name is Pawan Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video, I am going to discuss resistors in parallel of class 10th chapter number electricity. Okay, so what is resistors in parallel? When two or more resistors are connected simultaneously between two points to each other, then they say to be connected in parallel combination. So what is your resistor in parallel? When two or more resistors, take three resistors, that is, suppose this is your bulb 1, this is your bulb 2 and this is your bulb 3, okay, and we know that these bulbs are represented by this zigzag, or this resistors are represented by this zigzag line, okay. So this is your R1, this is your R2 and this is your R3. Now what is a resistor in parallel? These are connected simultaneously between 2 points. It means that these all R1, R2, R3 are connected simultaneously between 2 points. So take one point, that is point number 1 and point number 2. Now these all are connected in this 2 point, okay. So this is your what? R1, this is your R2, this is what your R1, and this is what your R2, and this is what your R3. This is your R1, this is your R2 and this is your R3. So this combination of resistance R1, R2 and R3 is called your resistors in parallel. Now what we are doing? We are going to complete this circuit, that is, we are going to connect a battery and then we are going to check the value of current and potential in this circuit, okay. So I am going to rub this. Now this is a battery of V volt. What this battery do? This battery give energy to this resistance R1, R2 and R3. Suppose I current is flowing in this circuit. Now this current I is, this current I have three paths to travel, that is, it will move along this path, it will move along this path and it will move along this path. Now the I is distributed, means this value of I is distributed, means some current flows to this one. Suppose I1 current flows to this, I2 current flows in this path and I3 current flows in this path. Now here in this point, current I1, I2, I3 combine and it will again become I. So I is distributed in I1, I2 and I3. This is what? This is your value of current which is distributed in your resistance, okay. So this is your point number 1. Current is different. Your value of current is different in all your resistance, okay. And what is the second point? We are going to check the value of potential in all three resistance. So what we do? This is your point 1, that is A, and this is your point B, that is this is your second point, that is B. Now this resistance R1, R2 and R3 all are connected in what? Same point, that is A and B. So we are going to connect a voltmeter which gives the value of potential, okay. This is your V value. Now we see that here what potentiometer measure or how measure, that is V, this is equal to VA minus VB, okay. Now this point, that is A and B, here R1, R2, R3 all are connected. So we conclude that the potential in R1, R2 and R3 is same, okay. So what is your second point? Second point is that potential is the same in all your resistor, okay. What is your first point? First point is current is different. And what is your second point? Second point is potential is the same in all your resistors. Now we are going to apply Ohm's law, and this is how we completed your topic, okay. Now what is Ohm's law? We know that V is equal to IR, okay. Now applying Ohm's law in R1, R2 and R3, that is, here this is equal to, what is Ohm's law? What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is V is equal to IR, so value of I, this is equal to V by R. Now in R1, I1 current is flows, so I1, this is equal to, potential is same in all your resistance V1, so value of current I1, this is equal to V by R1, okay. value of current I2, this is equal to V by R2, and value of current I3, this is equal to V by R3. And we know that I is equal to I1, I2 plus I3. Okay, now we are going to add I1, I2 and I3. That is I1 plus I2 plus I3. This is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So I1 plus I2 plus I3, this is equal to what? I, overall current I. This is equal to V common 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Okay, now this I is equal to, now we know that this I current is flowing in the circuit, and this is what, suppose this I current, this is the value of current which are flowing in the circuit, and according to Ohm's law V is equal to what? IR, and this I is current flowing in all this resistance. So what is R here? There R is equivalent, that is R1, R2 and R3. So what is the value of I here? That is V upon R equivalent. Okay, now I am going to replace the value of I to V by R equivalent. So what we get, that is V by R equivalent, this is equal to V 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2 and 1 upon R3. So V or V get cancelled. 1 upon R equivalent, this is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is all about your connection parallel, resistors in parallel. So for numericals and what important questions, please go through our website, that is schoolquiz.com.